Hey guys, thanks to Grom Reaper and Old School Dude for leaving a comment and asking a question. They asked if the fender still works with the 7-inch tire right here, and that's what we're about to see. I mean, it goes on. Let's see if it rides. Yeah, it rides pretty good. Still fits perfectly fine with barely room. Look, it's coming out.
But it fits. No rub. No rub. All right. Just ride around for a little bit. Still got it.
What? Hey guys, I absolutely love the new tire. I just smoked a new record on the trail with 43 seconds and I hit 21 miles an hour on the trail, which is pretty crazy. I love the new tire. So is it worth getting? Yes, I got it. I've been riding it for a while now, like a week maybe, and it's perfect. So I love it.
What? What? What'd you get?
43.
Barrel Snaps has the crown. Dude, that's crazy.
All right guys, so we've been messing around with the segment on the Onewheel app and we made our own, and I'm gonna see if I can beat the time.
I can't do that.
You see?
What? What'd you get?
43.
You beat it? You got 43 seconds? Are you joking? What?
The last one I had was 46, right? Yeah. 46, I cut it down 3 seconds. And yesterday I couldn't get below 47.
So what are we doing? What are we doing?
4 seconds. We're just straight zooming.
Well, what are you looking at right now?
Oh, we're looking at our segment, which is our trail. And we've been hitting it a lot. I couldn't get below 47 yesterday. And then today I hit it twice, 46 once, and then 43. So
we created this segment to help us race each other.
yeah.
And all you gotta do is, it's inside the Onewheel app.
You just gotta start a new ride and then just ride it. And then when you get to the end, it'll automatically clock you in and clock you out and then see what you get. And then I beat it by a lot today.
So let's just say, we first ran it, I ran 48, and then you ran it.
I kept running 48.
No, you got 47.
Yeah.
And then I raced it right out, like I was in the middle of the race after you, and it calculated me at 47.
So we were tied on 47.
Right.
And then today I just hit it once, got 46, and then the one y'all just saw was 43.
And you took the crown.
And I took it, yeah.
And you took the crown.
Took the crown in the app.
All right, I'm gonna,
Well, right there.
Barrel Snaps has the crown. Dude, that's crazy. Awesome job.
Thank you.